Boss, Ragga Rookie. Fritters, steamy fry. All of the fritters, them steamy fry. Steamy fry. Couldn't tell about bush TV, not a lie. Fritters says steamy fry. Fritters.
You know what
I'm going to watch a video. I'm going to watch a video about bush TV. Mad.
Ragga Rookie thing. Yes, son. This look at you boy now with your microwave. Look, man. Trillionaire record now. As we do some boom now. And I put Ragga Rookie now to the top of the game now. The man was come right for Ragga Rookie thing. Listen to me. And Ragga Rookie is a fry, steamy, hot. You understand? Back in town, Ragga back in town. As Ragga Rookie back in town.
Microwave.
This is about the microwave.
Now with the man too.
Micro something, I don't know. Yo, you're going to see Ragga Rookie slang and thing them and load them. You come like case of barber and further on you know bad like Ragga Rookie shoeless and the Trillionaire record boss is attack LA Lewis. And you know say I'm here the baddest singer in the Caribbean, the baddest singer in Jamaica. Ragga Rookie he run England. You know bad like Ragga Rookie shoeless. You know watch the LA Lewis coach show on Facebook, on social media, this is the hottest thing. And the Ragga Rookie have the anthem fit him and Amari. You know think about like Amari shoeless. With music,
most of like Ragga deal with them away,
carry it back.
No.
I don't make you send social media police come feet. I don't make you send Scotland Yard come feet. Cause if Ragga Rookie book you up one away, on a statue or something, it now go pretty for you. You understand? And you know say 7-star general run joke. And we have the money to facilitate the war too. You understand? We have the hottest tune, the hottest dub plate, the hottest everything. Steamy fry, Trillionaire record style. So youth, don't run for the man style. Just Kylie, just left it on your foot and walk away. And say Ragga Rookie, you know some sorry for thief thing. Left it on your foot, youth. Would that you why you can't come do it? Just left the man style on your foot.
Well, on the thief the man style.
I left it on the old lady, I look at shopping style, and we go back and go pick it up. You understand?
No,
just tell the man say you're sorry and the argument done from this. So please and thanks. We like forget an apology. So people, Trillionaire record young boss. I remember people for further information. Contact www.trillionairerecord.com.
Yeah, go and watch a video.
If you're in the show, contact 1-866-773-4594. If you're a man booking agency international.
LA Lewis a slander microwave.
I go to www.trillionairerecord.com.
Sorry, what Sam's the microwave?
LA Lewis.
Don't know.
Steamy fry. See them? Nice. Mad. But I don't even that way I talk about. Get a video a while ago. That way I go watch. Bush TV, like and subscribe.
Back in town, steamy, Ragga. Right now, Trillionaire record, we are signing. A matter of fact, the contract in the email. Just get it now. People, back in town, Ragga, back in town. Ragga. Tell any, me want about my energy. Tanta Black Steve, my style and menace. Tell Bunty, say, fella go for the NSA. Hey, Ragga, back in town, Ruggie, back in town. People, at the Trillionaire record, young boss, this LA Lewis telling us, say, Ragga Ruggie, new song named Back in Town, Papa Jesus. Ragga Ruggie, you see the LA Lewis courthouse thing on Facebook Live. Oh, the tune done the place last night, people. And for the bit of a lie, just log on upon www.lalewis7 at facebook.com. or LA Lewis Rich at facebook.com or LA Lewis Official at YouTube. LA Lewis Rich. People back in town. Ragga Rookie, I don't know where you're going to do money that year, youth. I your time now. Back in town, Ragga back in town. Youth, right now, make people. Let me tell you something. Adjust the pre-release that is not even the real mix. I have done the place up. Engineer, do the thing, do the right thing. Make sure you mix the song good. Make sure you master it. If you can't angle it, send it come a Trillionaire record. Make danger deal with the thing the right way. Because you know Trillionaire record, we deal with dub plate mastering, we deal with bookings, promotion, everything. Billboard, rental a car, plane, helicopter services. So when the Trillionaire record, young boss tells the people, Ragga Ruggie, back in town, Ragga back in town. Savo, Menace, back in town. Ragga, Trillionaire record, and we respond to that tune. Matter of fact, and we respond to your career from today.
5 million. say, yo, tell him some more about 3 more million. So go to him and tell him 3 more million. You figure 3 million, see him there. Tell him to give 3 more million.
Don't know the man run back and
yo, make sure the man can chat the ass clock 7 million, you know. Because the white boy run out the ball and blood clot money. How much is 5 million? 4 million. Alright then, this I go to the poor people, let me know start. Want the next box.
See? Yeah man,
King
King
enough.
the RUGGIE man.
Yo. How much is?
3 million.
3 million dollars. So this I go to on a frack city.
Yeah.
You
Alright,
see?
then send up, you know, yo, load the vehicle, move.
Yeah man.
You tell me thing up to bounce. You got it?
Yeah.
Back in town. Saturday. But the king, you know, Mr. D, don't ramp with the king, you know. Me. Alright, lift up the thing now. Mr. D, fuck up this a blood clot. Jamaica na come fit, you know. Jamaica damn dada, you know. Bad boy, you know. I come for you fritters, so don't make it fuck up that. So master ass like yeah. Cause they can't serious, yo. Look come on. Usher them in, usher them in. Shots, give me the 4 drop. Make 4 drop. Me need back everything where them grab from me. Only ready Jamaica. Back in town, ragga back in town. Fritters, back in town, ragga back in town. Rookie, back in town, ragga back in town. The king come back to wear white crown. Fritters, back in town, rookie, back in town, ragga. Back in town, ragga back in town. Back in town, ragga back in town. I come back here to wear my crown. Don't tell Ellie, me want back me energy. Me stage person, tap me stage no melody. Down to Black Steve, me style and bust ya. Move, make me kill right buster. Make me dance bounty killer drink anything.